Bread pizza. So delicious. Chicken, 50 gram. Half teaspoon amak. 1 teaspoon cutie laumerch. Half teaspoon kali merkin. 1 tablespoon soya sauce. Half tablespoon sirka. Half tablespoon chili sauce. 1 teaspoon lishan. Half teaspoon haldi. Mix well. Fry it. Cooked well. Fried chicken. 2 bread slices. Spread mayonnaise. Spread ketchup. Add chicken. Garnish cheese. Add peas. Add olives. Add shimla mirch. Sprinkles kudalo mirch. Sprinkles mixed herbs. Baked it. Delicious bread pizza is ready. Very yummy and tasty.